My presentation is going to be a little short and probably pretty boring for you guys. Sorry. I've been working with Efren. My MAMP has like randomly stopped working on me, and my FileZilla is also not working. So I've been having a lot of technical issues. So I wasn't able to get as much done for the project rough draft as I would have liked. So please bear with me. I'm gonna just kind of show some code since I can't actually show anything. I'm working to try and get MAMP working on another computer, but that's also causing me issues because it's telling me it's not connecting to the internet. So sorry. Yeah. So I on the side you can see what I've done. I did the basic 404 pages and whatnot. Um, and the index and everything. So what so far I've done really is the header and the footer. I kind of had to blind code it on CSS since I haven't been able to view it. So um, I made a container that's 90% width or max with 960. So that will be responsive to different screen sizes, and also I won't have to apply padding and whatnot. My homepage hero, which I was working on, is going to be one main background. I'm working with Efren to make that be PHP rather than a current background image. So I have to look over a document he sent me. So my main page has a different margin and whatnot because it's going to have text overlaid on the background. Um, and yeah, and then I picked some fonts. I changed the fonts from what I had done on my original. Um, sorry, on my. Oh, so this is my header file. I'm sorry, I just got off a plane, so I'm like a lot of it. I changed my fonts to be Montserrat and Shrinkened. So let me pull that. Montserrat, Google Fonts. Um, so let's wait for that to load. So yeah, so this will be my body font. Um, I like it because it kind of has a little, and I did this based off of what y'all suggested. I know you guys mentioned that I probably could have done a better job selecting fonts to go with the ice cream theme. Um, so I selected these because I felt like they're easier to read. Um, Shrikened. Sorry, easier to read on the web and also still correlate with the theme. So I picked a thick kind of script font to be the main font, and then you can see Montserrat is down here. This is what they look like together. So I like the way they look together. I felt like both fonts were easy to read on screens, and also went along with the ice cream theme as well. So those are the fonts that I have applied to be my main and body fonts. This obviously being the like headers 1 and 2. I believe I did 3 and 4 as the bold or semi-bold here, and then light, no regular, um, for like paragraphs and whatnot. Um, yeah, and so I applied some media queries that hopefully will work, and did some hero images and whatnot via the functions file. So sorry that I don't have a ton of interesting stuff to show. I don't have a functioning website to show yet because I'm still trying to figure that out, unfortunately. But I'll be working hard the next couple weeks to have something more interesting for y'all to look at for the final project. Just if you have any suggestions or things you learned from the first project, the first part of this project that we just submitted, that you learned that you think would help, if you have any idea why my MAMP's not working, or have any suggestions, please let me know. Sorry this wasn't more exciting. Thanks guys so much. Looking forward to seeing what y'all have put together.